Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a blocks racing car. First, gather all your necessary blocks, including various plates, bricks, and 4 wheels. Begin by constructing a strong chassis, ideally using a base plate that is at least 6 by 12 studs. This foundation is crucial for stability and durability. Next, attach the 4 wheels firmly to the chassis, ensuring they are evenly spaced for optimal performance. This initial step sets the stage for your entire build. Now let's focus on the engine and cockpit. For the engine, use a combination of different block shapes to give it a powerful and realistic appearance. Consider adding exhaust pipes or vents for extra detail. Next, build the cockpit, making sure there's enough space for a driver figure. Include a seat and a steering wheel for a complete look. Position both the engine and cockpit securely on your chassis, ensuring they are proportionate to the car's overall size. To make your racing car truly stand out, focus on aerodynamics and details. Attach spoilers to the rear and side skirts along the bottom to give it a sleek, fast appearance. These elements aren't just for looks, they suggest speed. Don't forget the smaller details like headlights, taillights, and side mirrors to enhance realism. Finally, select a consistent color scheme for your car. This will give it a polished and professional finish, making it ready for the racetrack. The final step is all about customization and making your racing car truly your own. Don't be afraid to experiment with different block types, colors, and configurations to create a unique design. Test your car's durability by gently rolling it and making any necessary adjustments to ensure all parts are secure. Remember, the more you experiment, the more creative your builds will become. For more great deals and the link to those amazing darn tough socks, check out the description below. Happy building and enjoy your custom racing car.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.